Yeah, so good evening, everyone. I'm Sin Yee from Penang. So, I'm managing three eldercare centers together with my families now. And then we are serving hundreds of elderly inmates now. So, I'm a mother of two children. So, my 7 years old daughter graduated from Waldorf last year. And then my second child is a 2 years old boy. And then he's raised up by using Anthroposophic childcare method. Yeah. So I come across to Anthroposophy 5 years ago when I sent my daughter to Waldorf kindergarten, as I'm a newbie mother and I'm keen to learn how to take good care of a child. Hence, I attended Anthroposophic home care sharing a few times. So I always thinking of finding alternative. If my child gets sick, instead of visiting doctors, visiting clinics, seeing doctors and eating medicine, is there any natural remedies? So this is very essential, especially during pandemic, when children getting fever, cough, and flu at this time. Parents like us sure become very worried because it is similar to the COVID symptom. So I learned the methods to handle fever, cough, flu, and also the ear infection with natural remedies that easy to apply and free from side effect. So I applied few times of lemon cough compresses when my daughter fever, so to lower down the body temperature, and it works well. My daughter fever lasts for 7 days when I first applied it. So I'm also quite worried, but I think it is a good way so I get through it. So it shortened to 4 days for second time fever, and for the third time fever, it shortened to 3 days. So as the children, the immunity is built up, she was able to fight it with the inner healing power. This is what amazed me. And then as a carer of Eldercare Center, my mission is to nourish the body, soul, and spirit of the elderly through the daily care. So during the Anthroposophic Eldercare Conference, I am impressed by how anthroposophic nursing care goes beyond the cognitive approach of soft skills. Yeah, because for the basic nursing techniques, actually medical trainings and all that, actually we went through that, but the soft skills is really impressed me. It treats the patients as a whole human, taking into account of the body, the soul, and the spirit, and by understand their biography, their past, and their past interaction with the doctors and with themselves for their illnesses. So I can see that through the experience, the way Sir Rolf Heine treating us during the rhythmical massage, the sounding washing, and also the compresses, actually his attentiveness of touch and the use of the warmth, and also how he handled the cold air and light, it promotes the whole healing process, and it forms a solid bridge between the treatment of the body and the treatment of one's skin and spirit. So this connection is needed more than ever today. And actually, it helps me to treat my patients with a, we say it, with a more inner way. Yeah. So I can felt how deeply healing it is to be warm, calm, and nurtured in this way. And I did apply the knee and calf rhythmic massage to one of my insomnia patients, and she felt very comfortable after the massage, and she can sleep well at night, and she feel relaxed, and the pain at her leg is become lesser. Yeah. So and then during the child conference 2 years back, I attended with 8 months pregnancy. So this is my fourth time pregnancy. So before this, I miscarried twice. So after attending the conference, it provides me the overall care knowledge of pregnancy during and also during the delivery time, and then during confinement and breastfeeding, and also how to take care of infant. So through the understanding of the stage of child development, the fourfold nature of human body, it makes me more confident during the whole process. And I applied a lot of ways to take care of my boy within these 2 years, and we have lots of this quality time together. Yeah, so when I first breastfeeding my first daughter, I suffered seriously from mastitis. I went through operation to remove pus from breast, and the wound is just big, this thick. So, but during my second, for maybe for some people we may feel trauma already, but for me, I think after I understand the benefits of breastfeeding during the child conference, I decided to breastfeed my second children as well. So I applied the holistic anthroposophy approach and the eightfold path and relaxed mindset. So my breastfeeding this time was smooth. And I'm a home care course second batch student. So I just recovered from COVID on March lately. So during this period, my symptoms are slightly cough and felt very tired and short of breath, start from the day 10th. So I did a ginger thorax compress, 40 minutes in the morning, twice, I think one day, and then I stop a day, and then I continue a day again. So I felt warm inside the lung area. So my lung and throat felt very comfortable and no more itchiness in the throat and no more coughing. So my breath also become deep and rhythmic. The breath sound was also smooth. Yeah. So after the 3 times of ginger thorax compress, my cough recovered. And I experienced the extreme stress and anxiety as my husband's and also children are infected by COVID before I tested positive. So I'm the one who take care of my 2 children. So at that time, I did yarrow liver compress for a few times. And it really calmed me down. And my anxiety also become lesser. And I felt very tired and I can sleep because before this, I cannot sleep well. And it also smoothed my serious skin sensitive condition as well. Yeah. So as a conclusion, care actually is applied from born to the moment before death. So we call it palliative care. So actually the natural substances, the body treatments, foot bath, and also compresses, and the hot water bottles are a core part of anthroposophic nursing. They do have a long history. And the anthroposophic nursing offers a whole realm of practices which actively nourish and calm and soothe. And they guide our body to an enhanced state of well-being to a better, more regenerative state. So these nursing techniques are simple, safe, effective, and human. And through my sharing, I'm one of the testimony benefit from pregnant to eldercare nursing. So through anthroposophy approach, I'm able to transform the crisis in life into opportunities, which makes my life better. So no matter which workshop you are in, you will sure benefited from it. So I invited all of you to join this coming ACM. Wish you all good luck and good health. Thank you.